Hi guys, Dr. Wendy Dearborn. Yours truly, Dr. Wendy D here from the Laws of Attraction in Action. Well guys, today we're going to be talking about blame and how that can impact your ability to manifest consciously using the universal laws of attraction. Well guys, if you're actually listening to this or watching this on Facebook, be very sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell or button so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. So that being said guys, let's get to it. The blame game. Guys, I've spoken, for those of you who follow my work and have been interacting with me over the past, 20 years or so, you know that I speak periodically about the blame game. It's really important. I've got some notes here, so I'm going to be reading from my notes, or at least referring to them. Casting the blame. Blaming somebody for where you are in your life. Blaming people, places and things for where you find yourself in life actually prevents you from manifesting the things that you want in life. Whether it be health, whether it be wealth, whether it be joy, whatever it is, it truly, truly prevents you from this manifestation or this demonstration, and if you will, this blessing. Playing the blame game acts as a block, and from a coaching standpoint, I'll tell you, it acts as a limiting belief, and a limiting belief doesn't assist and support you in actually the realization of your goals. From a metaphysical standpoint, it negates your affirmations, it negates your prayers, it negates your requests from the universal creator within, known to me as God, or whomever your chosen deity is. It negates it. And I spoke about this last week when I said, you know, if you are affirming, you're affirming, you're doing everything that you're meant to be doing. You know, you're praying, you're affirming, you're doing your meditations, you got your vision board together and all the things that you have been told that you need to do. You have all this together, and yet still, nothing's happening. You've been saying this affirmation for a year and you're faithful. You know, you do this 3 times a day when you wake up, midday, and before you go to sleep. You're using sleep state to assist and support you, and nothing. Well, guys, many people will say, well, you know, it's in God's time. That's not how that works. If nothing's happening, that means that within your life, other things need to be looked at. And this could be from forgiveness to developing an attitude of gratitude. But in this instance, I'm talking about casting the blame. It is this person's fault. Why? It's that person's fault. Why? The world did this and this has happened to me. The government this and that's happened, blah, 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 blah. Casting the blame prevents you from manifesting what you want in your life. And it's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. And it's a dangerous game because for me, it's one of those kind of, I think the word is insidious. It's one of those things that is really prevalent. It goes with the nature truly of who we are. When we're upset about something, we'll blame somebody. We are looking to point that finger. We are looking to say it's their fault, or it's his fault, or her fault, or, you know, the government's fault. And in reality, if it's happening to you, you need to own what's going on for you 100%. So flip the script on the blame game. Transmute those kind of emotions that you're having. Transmute those thoughts that you're having. And I'm not talking about not recognizing what somebody has done, but recognize that in order for them to do what they have done to you, you had to show up in some capacity. And once again, guys, I'm not saying that's right. I would never say that's right. But what I'm saying is when you take full ownership of what's happened to you, you actually free yourself. And on a personal level, as I've said before to, as they call it, my tribe, as I've said before to people who listen to me, one of the most profound and powerful things that have ever happened to me in my life was owning what's happened to me in my life. No, it doesn't mean that I condone somebody's bad behavior, but I actually own that I was a part of that process. I also recognize that there is nothing that I can do to change that. Otherwise, I would have changed it. But what I can do is use what I know to have gone on for me. I can use that. I can flip the script on that. I can transmute that into energy that I can use by simply saying, what is this teaching me? What have I learned? And how do I apply that to the things that I want in this life? Focus on what you want in life, not on what you don't, and not on your history. And incidentally, your history is just that. Your history is not your destiny unless you choose it to be. Your history is just that. You can use your history to support you in moving forward if you want, or you can use your history to try to recreate a situation that you have left and is best left alone. So guys, no more blaming. No more blaming. Yes, it happened. Stop the blame game. Use that energy to create what you want in life. So guys, until next time, check out the website, and I'll be here to give you very, very shortly an app where you can actually listen into my words, that's right, of inspiration daily. Until next time, guys, I'm Dr. Wendy Dearborn. Peace.